Alright, so this test is going to be about mainly executioners. Someone was asking about that earlier. I'm going to see if the non-countered executioners does have splash. I don't think so, but it's just a quick test to see if it does or doesn't. So first I have to find a executioner that isn't surrounded by mortars or doesn't trigger a mortar fire. So I'm pretty sure this will be good right here. Oh yeah, that should be fine. Okay, now we gotta wait for this little guy. Use my gunboat third cannon 1. And really I don't think the non-counter executioners have splash. But this will be a good test also to see how non-countered executioners do to my charged armor. So we will see about that. Um, there we go. Now it's firing at me. No counters, no nothing. And no. Oh, damn. Look at that chart. That is hurting me really bad. So, yeah. Best thing to do, counter them. Because they bypass your charged armor real bad. Um, that's I like that. That's good to know. So you do need to counter them, for some reason, because with it does take away some charged armor, but it deals a ton of damage. So counter them. I'm going to stick with the two Zelos, my build. Um, right now, currently doing refitting my dragons with more rockets, so I can hopefully start doing two dragons, and then take out the monoliths, do two dragons, or maybe try and do three dragons, and see how well I could drive them with three dragons and two Zelos. So maybe next time, next FM, I'll be able to do that. I'm not entirely too sure. I still want to put on charged armor. So till next time, pirates. This was a good quick test.